Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got myself a little box in the mail, as you can see here. It's a pretty small, light little thing, and picked this up at Spot. I know what it is. It was off a live stream I watched the other night, and at the end of the stream, the person gave us a Spot deal, and I took advantage of it, and I think a lot of other people did too. I'm interested to open it up and see what it looks like because I don't think I have one of these. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so before I get opening it, why don't we talk about the backstory a little bit. So Coast to Coast, a week or so ago, had Jonathan Sawyer from Monument Metals on there. It's a great interview, really. I mean, he had some good stuff. Jonathan's been on before. I think he was on with Salvate Metal a while back. But it was really good. He answered some really good questions as far as honesty from the coin dealer business and what he does and the things he goes through day after day to run his business and some of the challenges that he has as well. So during that interview, at the end, he gave a coupon code to get some gold at Melt. And who doesn't want gold at Melt? Now, I mean, honestly, I think it was about a $5 discount. If you went to his website, I think it said it was only $4.99 above Melt. But hey, you know, $5 on a precious metal is a pretty big deal, or can be a big deal. And we will take it all. And I believe he said that he had bought a bunch of these off of someone recently, and we needed to wait a few days for them to come in before he'd ship them. So I logged on that night. I bought one with the coupon code, and this should be it. So let me get this thing open and see what we have in here. Always love to get some gold. Really wish I had more of it, I'll tell you that right now, with it bouncing all over the place but not getting down to where it was a while ago. We wish we would have focused more on that when it was cheaper. But we didn't. Nothing we can do about it. We're not having a fear of missing out. We just wish we had more, that's all. Cool little box there. I'll save that for some future things. Let's go ahead and cut this thing open. And see if I can do it without cutting myself open. So yeah, he likes to use these USPS envelopes for his shipping. As most of you know, if you go to a post office, you can grab their priority mailboxes and envelopes like this for free because they want you to ship them out and use their packaging. I don't know if they want you to use it as bubble wrap for other people's packaging, but that's okay, I guess. So let's get in here. Where is this thing? Way down in here. Here it is. Whoa, surprise. Package just keeps getting smaller and smaller, doesn't it? Let's open this up. Here we go. This is a nice little soft foam thing you put it in. Oh, there it is. So let's pull it out of here and take a look. I'm going to take it out of this flip because this flip is just too shiny. He's got the flip all taped up too, look at that. So that's good because then it doesn't slide out of the flip, but it makes it a little bit harder for me to get into the flip. Here we go, I got it. Got it. Got it. Almost got it. Woohoo! I rescued it from the flip. Here we go. And there she is. Let me push my camera down a little bit. Let me zoom in here. And what we have is a British sovereign, King George, I believe it was. And, yep, you can see George over there. I think it was King George IV. Let me look that up here. What did I buy? Heck, I don't even know what I bought. I know it was a gold coin. That is what I know. So it's listed as a Great Britain King George Gold Sovereign 1911 to 1925. So I got a random date. So why don't we take a look and see what that date is. Let's get a good focus on this. I don't know why it's not focusing. It's not what I wanted. There we go. And let's roll this over and see what we have here. And my light bounced back up again. It is a 1931. But didn't he say it's supposed to be a 1911 to 1925, but it's a 1931. Not what I ordered, I suppose. I don't think it's really that big a deal. Just would have been nice to get what I ordered. But you can see here, slaying the dragon. And doesn't give the gold content on it. Alright, so I looked up the gold content. It is 0.2354, so a little bit less than a quarter of an ounce. And it's kind of a weird amount. Most of them it's a little bit different than most of them. Like pre-1933 $5 Liberties are 0.2419, a little bit less than a quarter as well. But this is 0.2354. Sorry about that. And so yeah, it's in pretty good shape. I believe it was listed as extra fine. It's got a lot of good detail on there. Got some scratches and some marks on there. But you can see it's a very nice gold coin. Pretty good shape. Not disappointed with it at all as far as the condition. Do wonder why I got a 1931 though. But again, not a big deal. I'll probably send Jonathan an email and ask him about it. Just see what he says. But, yeah, what do you think, huh? Very respectable coin. It actually looks better in person than it did on his website. His website, the picture was pretty grainy, and it looked like it wasn't going to be this shiny for sure. So, yeah, pretty nice, huh? Not much else to say, except got almost another quarter ounce of gold for a spot. And with gold dropping here recently, a little overpaid for it for now. But we all know that stuff's volatile. It'll go back up. And then it'll be back in the plus side again. Yeah, what do you think, huh? Pretty nice. Not bad at all. Okay, so next thing I want to do is why don't we get this awesome coin into a capsule. You can see here I have a capsule. It should fit in, probably not perfectly. This capsule's made for eagles, but let me zoom back out. Let's take a look at what I have here. So this is what I picked up off Amazon. These are guardhouse. You guys know how I love guardhouse. It's a quantity of 10, so that's a pretty big investment unless you're going to buy 10 quarter ounce coins. You can see the size is 22 millimeters, and it's for quarter ounce coins. Now these are again made for American Eagles, and I know that I've put other coins in them, and they've been a little bit small or a little large for the coins. So for example, I got a couple examples here. You can see here's an American Eagle. That's what I just recently bought, that Proof W, 2004 W. If you shake it, this thing's locked right in there. It's a perfect 22 millimeters. No space in there at all. Let's just admire this coin for a moment. This thing's beauty for sure. Look at that. Whew. Quarter ounce fine gold. Alright. So that's a perfect fit. But if we take this pre-1933 coin, 1886, it's a wonderful coin indeed. See here, very, very nice. But if we shake this, see how it rattles? I think this is 0.4 of a millimeter in diameter, less than this is. But if you look it up on the Airtight website, they recommend this 22 millimeter coin for it. So I don't think they make one specifically for it. So you do have to put up with a little bit of a rattle. But on the other hand, you've got your coin nice and protected, right? This one, no rattle because they're made for 22 millimeters, and that's what these are. And Beautiful. Man, that is, if I can get my face from bouncing off of there, that is just a gorgeous coin for sure. All right. So there's my little promo for Guardhouse. These things are, I think, $7 for 10 of them or something. They're pretty inexpensive. So let me go ahead, pull back down just a little bit. We'll keep these beauties on the screen. Why not? One lady looking at the other one. And let's see how well this fits into here. And so we have a little ribbed edge here. And then this is the cover, complete cover, goes over the top of it. So let's take this. And of course we have the, having a hard time picking this thing up without getting my fingers all over. We have the king on the one side. Let's put this in here, see if it fits. It does fit. A little bit of a rattle. But yeah, this fits pretty well. Let's put this thing on nice and tight. And it is on there nice and tight. And got a rattler. But it's nice and protected now. So that's good. So if you're looking for capsules for quarter-ounce gold coins, most of them you need to verify and look. Which again, if you go to Airtight's website, they've got every coin listed on there. And they actually say this is the right capsule for this coin too, even though it rattles. I didn't look up this one, I just assumed it would fit. It's a rattler. It's a rattler. It's not. It's perfectly in there. So there's some beautiful gold for you, huh? How about that? Ooh. That is some attractive gold there for sure. Look at that. So 2004, 1886, 1931. So they would be in this order. And you can see this one looks, it's hard to see on the camera, this looks more coppery. They all have copper in them. None of them are 24 karat gold like the maple leafs. They all have copper in them. That's fine, no problem. So the purity of this one's about 90, a little over 91%. The rest of gold, the rest would be copper, and that's where you get your 0.2354 number from. But yeah, pretty nice looking coins, huh? Ooh, those are beautiful. Love them. Just playing around here, trying to just look at how beautiful these things are. Alright, pretty cool, eh? Alright everyone, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the gold show. Gold is awesome. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.